This video is sponsored by Sophos Home. There have been quite a few new MagSafe accessories from Apple since the release of the iPhone 12, and I think we've covered most of them, but one of the ones that I was personally looking forward to the most was the new MagSafe Duo Charger. It's actually right here in my hand. Until I saw the price. Yes, this little guy is $129. So you're probably asking, what can it do? Well, it's designed to let you charge your phone and your Apple Watch at the same time. So over here would be your phone, and over here would be your Apple Watch. Or you can do AirPods and watch at the same time. Or you can do any Qi wireless device, any Android phone that supports the Qi wireless standard, and you can put that on this end and your Apple Watch on the other end. And then you can also fold it up easily and take it with you on the go. Now, I could easily spend this entire video complaining about how overpriced and probably not worth picking up this little guy is, but I think I remember back in the day that Apple Watch stand that Apple sold for $80. It was a wireless charging stand for Apple Watch. And I remember thinking to myself that it was something I would never buy, and then I did buy it, and I really, really liked it. And it was a really nice way to dock my watch at night, and I currently use it on my nightstand to this day. And yeah, so I weirdly really like that charger for my watch, and $80 didn't seem so bad after I used it a whole lot. And then I would also stick it in my bag and travel with it too. Well, this MagSafe Duo is basically one less charging cord to bring with you either at your nightstand or bring with you on a trip. I can remove my Apple Watch stand and my MagSafe charger off from my nightstand and just use one to replace both of those items, which is kind of nice. I only need to do one cord. So again, I can definitely see the appeal, especially if you travel a lot. Although for me, this won't be really getting tested out in that department for quite some time. Also, if you haven't already noticed, this charger, when not in use, as I said, it folds up. So it's super easy for you to pop into your bag and take it with you on the go, and it is a very, very, very small footprint. The Apple Watch portion can also pop out when you want to dock your watch in nightstand mode. It also makes it easier when you have a certain band on that won't allow it to lay flat. So yeah, that's another good touch that Apple added, that feature from that other charger that I talked about, where you can pop the charger up and have it docked like that. Now, there are a few things with the unboxing portion that really stood out to me that I didn't understand. So for starters, for $129, why in the world are we not getting this charging brick? I had to buy this separate. I know it's been a cool, trendy topic for the iPhone 12 and why you didn't get it and whether you agree with it or not. I think that makes more sense not including one than when something entirely based around charging doesn't give you the charging brick, especially for this price. You get a USB-C to Lightning cable inside the box. You also get that same exact cable with the iPhone 12. So presumably if you're using an iPhone 12 with this, which it is MagSafe, so most people are probably using this with their iPhone 12, you don't need that cord. So it would make sense to not give you that cord and to just give you the power brick instead. I'm not entirely sure why they went this route. Actually, you know what else is weird? If you have a 20-watt charger like this one here and you use it for your MagSafe wireless charging puck that came out earlier that we covered, your iPhone 12 would charge at a 15-watt maximum. Now, the Duo with the same charging brick only maxes out at around 11. If you had a 27-watt charging brick, you can max out at 14 watts. Now, I'm assuming it's got something to do with charging two devices at one time, but even when you're not charging the Apple Watch, I don't think it maxes out at 15, it's just at that 14. And again, that's maxing, so it could even be lower than that, which is, it's just weird. Now, to me, it's still not a huge deal because I am not relying on wireless charging at all to be a fast means of charging your device. It's something that I do overnight and overnight only, so it doesn't bother me, but it is just something strange to keep in mind. If you're looking forward to having 15-watt charging constantly, that's just not going to be the case. Other than that, that's really it. That's the entire product. It is really nice feeling. This is a very satisfying thing to do. I've found myself in the very limited time that I've had this to do this a lot. The material is great. It's very reminiscent of that charging stand that I talked about earlier. The rest of it has that brushed aluminum or stainless steel, and it's really nice. Is it worth $129? No, probably not, but I didn't think that that other Apple Watch charging stand was going to be worth $80 to me, and I actually thought about buying 2 of them, to be honest with you, so maybe I'll end up loving this one just as much. Before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, Sophos Home. Sophos Home is security and privacy built for an entire family, regardless if they're Mac or PC users. It utilizes the same award-winning security features that keep Fortune 500 companies safe, stopping malware, ransomware, and hacking exploits, and much more. Sophos Home also protects what you do online, keeping web-based banking and shopping safe and secure, protecting webcams, microphones, and even what you type. Sophos Home secures your privacy, and to make all that protection simple, Sophos Home allows you to manage security on up to 10 computers located anywhere in the world via the cloud. It's the best way to digitally protect your family or even your neighbors. And for more information about Sophos Home, visit the link in the description down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.